So most of us know about the focus variant. We use it to apply styling to elements designed to be interacted with. Things like links, buttons, text fields, select fields, text areas, and so on. But what's up with the focus visible and focus within variants? How are these different and what exactly can we do with them? The easiest way to explain focus visible is to look how the focus variant works. When we use the focus variant as we do with this button here where we have these ring classes, the styling gets applied when we use the mouse cursor to focus the element, but also when we navigate using the keyboard. So if I refresh, press the tab key, the element is focused and the ring appears. However, sometimes we might want to style the focused elements only when navigating using the keyboard. For example, this cancel button right here doesn't look that great when the ring is applied. To apply focus classes only when navigating with the keyboard, we can use the focus visible variant. So I'll go here and replace focus with focus visible. Now if I refresh and click on any of the buttons, there is no ring appearing. But if I start pressing the tab key, here they are. So the difference between focus and focus visible is that the focus visible classes are only applied when navigating using the keyboard. Finally, the focus within variant is a bit more special. What it does is, it allows us to apply styling to a parent element whenever any of its children is focused. For example, let's say we have a form element that has an input. Let's also add some styling. I'll do BG gray 200 for the container. I'll do width full and P10 for the form. And then for the input, I'll just do border gray 300. So the focus within variant allows us to style the form element whenever the input is focused. So here we can do something like focus within and then BG blue 100. So now if I focus the input, the background of the form changes. A great use case for the focus within variant are those single input type of forms that have like a button floating inside of them. Instead of messing around with position absolute and paddings and stuff like that, we could just use the focus within variant. So let's add a button and style it. We'll do BG rose 600, text white, font medium, px4, py2 for padding, rounded XL, and then on hover we'll do BG rose 500. Okay, let's turn this into a flex, but before we do that, I'll remove the padding and focus within and do flex justify between. Let's zoom out a bit, add some padding to the container, and now to make the input grow, I'll use flex 1. Okay, let's remove the outline and the input border. So I'll remove the border and say outline none. I'll make the form background white, add some margin to the button, make the form rounded XL and add some shadow, and overflow hidden. Okay, so this is our form. Let's add some padding to the input. And now what I want to do is when the input is focused, the whole form should have a ring. So here I can go ahead and say focus within ring 2 and then focus within ring rose 500. And here we go. Isn't that nice? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe, click the bell button, all that good stuff.